When you look in the mirror every morning, remember, your biggest competitor isn't someone else, it's you. While others are sleeping, you're grinding. When others quit, you push one more rep. These muscles aren't built just from iron. They're built from discipline, patience, and pain. Every drop of sweat, every ache, every struggle is shaping a stronger version of you. So don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. Because one day, the same people who doubted you will look at you and say, "He made it." Keep lifting, keep fighting. Your time is coming. Because in the gym, no one gives you respect. You earn it with pain. The weights don't care who you are, they only respond to effort. And the moment you feel like quitting, that's the moment your body starts to grow. Don't chase perfection, chase progress. Be hungry, stay focused, and remember, every champion was once a beginner who never gave up.